Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Java programming playlist. In this video, we are going to see the inheritance in interface in Java programming. So let us start introducing what is interface inheritance. My dear friends, one interface can inherit from another interface by using the extends keyword. So one interface can inherit another interface. This is the property for interface inheritance, and this can be done using the extends keyword. This is known as interface inheritance. Interface supports multiple inheritance. When a class implements an interface which inherits another interface, it must provide implementation for all methods defined within the interface inheritance chain. So my dear friends, let's say there is a class which is implementing an interface. Now if this interface is extending or inheriting some other interface, then all the methods belonging to the interface and the interfaces which it has extended in the chain should be implemented by the class. Here we can see that there are two interfaces, interface 1 and interface 2. The interface 2 extends interface 1. That means this method 1, which is the member of interface 1, will also belong to the interface 2. That means now interface 2 will have two methods, method 1 and method 2. So here we are looking at an example of this interface inheritance. This is the interface house. It has two methods, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So we can say that this is a house which is having two bedrooms. Now there is new interface, another interface, that is new house, which extends this interface house. In this new interface, which is new house, is having bedroom 3. So we can say that bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 are all member of new house. So as per this statement, whatever class that implements new house should write the method for bedroom 1, 2 and 3, all threes. This will get more clear when we will see the detailed example. So here is the detailed example. Package my interface house, which is having bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Then we have interface new house extends house. So this interface extends this first interface house, and it has its own method bedroom 3 also. So this class build house implements new house. That means this new house will be now implemented in the class build house. In the class build house, we have written three methods. You can see here there are these three methods, bedroom 1, 2 and 3. So we know that this class has to write the implementation of all the member methods of the interfaces. So here we have written this bedroom 1, which is having a print statement of room 1. Then method bedroom 2, which is having print statement of room 2, and bedroom 3 for a print statement of room 3. Here is the public class demo inheritance interface, where we will show that how the object of build class can be used. So in that we have our public static void main. Then we have build house obj is equal to new build house, obj.bedroom 1, obj.bedroom 2 and obj.bedroom 3. Now obj is the object of build house. Build house has implemented the interface new house, and new house has extended the interface house. That means all the things of house and new house are implemented in build house, which is bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Now these three methods we are calling with an object of build house. So build house object is obj. We are writing here obj.bedroom 1, obj.bedroom 2 and obj.bedroom 3. Now if we write this in one single Java file and compile and execute, what output we will get? So the output is shown here. So with this obj.bedroom1, we will have the print statement of room 1. So here there will be room 1, and obj.bedroom2 will have print statement room 2. So here is room 2, and obj.bedroom3, here is the print statement with the string room 3, and the output here is room 3. I hope that interface inheritance concept is clear to you, my dear friends, because this is very important when we are trying to implement the interface. You have to remember this property when we are implementing an interface. Then that class should have implementation of all the methods of the interface which is implemented, and also methods of the interfaces which are extended or inherited in that particular interface in the entire chain. Here just we have seen two interfaces. There can be any number of interfaces, like interface 1 extending interface 2, then interface 2 extending interface 3, interface 3 extending interface 4, and so on. If that is the case, then this class build house or any such class which is implementing that interface should have the code for all the methods belonging to this hierarchy. I hope it is clear, my dear friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos on Java programming.